Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Umrupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
I wanna make up right now, see you whining, grind like that, all on the floor like that.
Ka election shiteng samoy jongka 56 Gambegre constituency kala yaj bet ya irinti klem kano ke jingpun wet habaro ki sanpuway tali ki polling station hakaba baro ki nong tap vote ki bala pendep yala ke jongka kamram ki poi hado kendai po point proposal %. Kumban shikudo baka jingpun long jongka nega election shiteng samoy hapo Gambegre constituency kadai namar bau MLA ganeka constituency usaling sangma ula resign no hadien bau la syajiet kum u MP jongka tura parliamentary seat. Habaya kren bat u chief electoral officer ke jela u BDR Tiwari ulayatu ba baro ki vote haganeka constituency kidon kumbal laipulai hajar tam. Kishan rang baro ki balapoi ban tap vote ki long haduk kan reu hajar praspa prapuway ngut kat ba ki kentay kidon kan reu hajar arspa nyu ngut. Baro kalong laipulai hajar prapu prangut. U CEO layatu ru ba kidon kumba kat santali ki vote jong ki temen ki kro ki bala tap vote na yeng bat kidon kat nyu tali ki vote jong ki badon ke jingduna ha ki dukot met.
Total number of voters were 33,088, out of which 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters. We have distributed 54 number of those all for home voting, and out of that 32 have chosen home voting option. We have total 3 service voters in the assembly constituency. Today, polling went very peaceful. Mock poll also completed well within time, and polling started in time. So, bi-hourly polling report, what we received. So, we keep on getting, and so by 11 AM there were 37.5%. By 1 PM it was 49.3%. By 3 PM it was 67.8%, and by 5:30 the report which we received, it was 80.91%. But the figures are keep on coming as the polling was ongoing in few polling stations, and all the figures had to be properly compiled. So by 6 PM the report what we received around, so total 90.84% in all the 51 PS. These are the voting figures what we received till time. They yet to have compiled and met with the presiding officer diary and everything. So we can't rule out little bit variation over that, but more or less whatever report till time we received, so that is yet 90.84% till time. So there were the 51 polling stations in the Gambegre. There were no polling station which identifies as critical or vulnerable. We did webcasting in all 51 polling stations, but there were some network shadow areas where and MPRO and all the alternate measures. Micro observers have been deployed, and 12 sector magistrates, sector officers and 4 zonal magistrates were also been deployed. The teams were there for the all round the clock monitoring, and entire election went very peacefully, and I thank all the voters. They have come forward and casted their vote in the more than 90%. It is a good achievement. So as well as we would like to congratulate the district team who worked very hard, and all the political parties, they participated very properly, very peacefully, and the entire election process has been completed very smoothly. So we have, during mock drill, only one VVPAT was replaced, and after the start of actual poll, total 3 BUs, 3 CUs, and 6 number of VVPATs were replaced in 5 number of polling stations. So we already shared the data related to the seizures etc. during the campaign period. So total seizure what happened during this by poll, so it was 12 lakh and 72,000 till poll day. So out of which cash seizure is 1.7961 lakhs, liquor values 3,09,945, drug and narcotics valued 2,40,000, and freebies and other items 5,42,048. So this is the overall figures we have. So we all thank the media and all the stakeholders, first of all the voters, the district team, for their very smooth management and very peaceful conduct of this campaign.